Welcome to Course 4, Foundation, Certified Supply Chain Professional, CSCP, course, by SPAO Academy. Topic 1. Supply Chains, Demand Management, and Forecasting. Section 1. Introduction to Supply Chains. Lesson 2. Supply Chain Models and Maturity. Lesson 02. Supply Chain Models and Maturity. Welcome to Lesson 02. Now that we understand what a supply chain is, we need to look at how companies actually structure and improve them over time. This lesson introduces two fundamental concepts: supply chain models, the different ways to structure a supply chain, and supply chain maturity, how good a company is at managing it. Part 1. What are supply chain models? Think of a model as a blueprint or a strategy. A supply chain model is the approach a company chooses to design its network of suppliers, factories, warehouses, and retailers to best meet its goals and customer demands. There is no single, best model. The right one depends on what the company sells and who its customers are. Here are a few classic models explained simply. 1. The efficient, or continuous flow, model. Goal: maximum efficiency and low cost. Operations are stable and predictable. How it works: the company produces the same items in high volume, with little variation. They optimize for smooth, continuous production and delivery. Example: a company that makes basic commodities like paper towels, flour, or simple cleaning supplies. Demand is steady, so they can plan production and shipping far in advance. 2. The fast, or agile, model. Goal: speed and flexibility to respond to unpredictable demand or trends. How it works: the supply chain is designed to be highly responsive. It can quickly switch production from one product to another and relies on fast, sometimes expensive, transportation. Example: a fast fashion retailer like Zara. They need to get new styles from the design stage to store shelves in weeks, not months, to react to what customers are buying right now. 3. The custom configured model. Goal: customization and variety. How it works: basic parts are made efficiently in a central location, but the final product is customized closer to the customer, often at a local distribution center or even the store. Example: Dell computers. They build the basic chassis and then let the customer choose the processor, memory, and hard drive. The final assembly happens after the order is placed, allowing for millions of combinations. 4. The flexible model. Goal: to handle high demand peaks without breaking down. How it works: this model allows production to be easily shifted between different facilities or even outsourced to partners to manage surges in demand. Example: a toy company before the holiday season. They might produce steadily in their own factories for most of the year but contract with a third-party manufacturer to handle the massive production spike from July to October. Part 2. What is supply chain maturity? Maturity is about the evolution of a company's supply chain capabilities. It measures how strategic, data-driven, and integrated the supply chain function is. A company doesn't start as an expert, it moves through stages of maturity. Most experts describe maturity in 5 stages. Stage 1, chaotic or siloed. Description: every department, procurement, manufacturing, shipping, works independently. There is no coordination. If the warehouse runs out of room, they just panic. Decisions are reactive and based on gut feelings. Characteristics: disorganized, high costs, frequent stockouts or excess inventory. Stage 2. Reactive or functional excellence. Description: departments start to get their own internal processes under control. They try to be good at their specific job, e.g., manufacturing is very good at making products cheaply, but they still don't talk to each other. Characteristics: basic data tracking within departments, but problems get passed from one department to the next. Not my problem. Stage 3. Integrated or internal integration. Description: this is a big step forward. The company starts to share information across departments. Sales shares its forecasts with manufacturing. Manufacturing shares its production plan with procurement. The whole company starts working towards a single company-wide plan, like sales and operations planning, S&OP. Characteristics: better demand forecasting, lower costs, and improved customer service. Stage 4. Collaborative or external integration. Description: the company now looks beyond its own 4 walls. They start to share information and collaborate closely with key suppliers and key customers. They treat them as partners, not just vendors. Characteristics. Suppliers can see inventory levels and automatically replenish stock. The company works with customers to design products that are easier to make and ship. Stage 5. Adaptive or orchestrated. Description. The highest level of maturity. The supply chain is a strategic weapon. It uses advanced technology, like AI and predictive analytics, to see disruptions coming, like a storm or a supplier issue, and automatically reconfigure itself to avoid the problem. Characteristics. Highly resilient, digital, and a key source of competitive advantage and profit. Connecting the concepts, models and maturity. A company's maturity level often dictates which models it can successfully execute. A company at stage 1, chaotic, will struggle to run even a simple efficient model. A company needs to be at least at stage 3, integrated, to successfully run a fast model, because it requires perfect coordination between design, production, and logistics. To run a truly custom configured model, a company needs the high-level collaboration found in stage 4, collaborative, to work seamlessly with its suppliers and logistics partners. Summary for the beginner. Supply chain models are the strategy you choose. E.g., we will be the fastest to market. Supply chain maturity is your ability to execute that strategy. E.g., we have the integrated systems and skills to actually be that fast. This lesson is crucial because it teaches you that a company cannot jump straight to a high-tech, adaptive supply chain. It must build its capabilities step by step, increasing its maturity over time. I really appreciate you spending your time with me today. If you want to learn more, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Your like means the world to us and helps this channel grow so we can continue bringing you great content. Thanks again, and see you on the next video.